Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Camco TastePURE 25 feet water hose. RV drinking water hose contains no lead, no BPA and no phthalate, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. Premium grade drinking water hose. Camco's premium grade RV freshwater hose is constructed with NSF/ANSI 61 certified hose for drinking water. Lead, BPA, and phthalate free. This quality PVC hose prioritizes your health with every use. Certified lead free. Enjoy Camco's CSA lead free certified RV hose. It meets the highest standards, is CSA lead free content certified to NSF/ANSI 372, and fully complies with all federal and state lead free laws. Versatile applications. Get ready for versatile outdoor tasks with this 25 long drinking hose, featuring a 5/8 inch inner diameter. It's perfect for RVing, camping, boating, gardening, pet cleaning, car washing, and lawn care. The easy-on grip connect makes handling a breeze. Diamond hatch reinforcement for kink resistance, made from reinforced, high-quality PVC. This UV-stabilized flexible drinking hose is designed for maximum kink resistance and durability. Made in the USA. Experience superior quality and reliability with Camco's potable water hose, proudly made in the USA. Camco prioritizes practicality and excellence for every consumer. Color, white, model, 22783. Made with NSF certified hose. Reinforced for maximum kink resistance. 25 feet long and 5/8 inch ID. Drinking water safe. CSA low lead content certified and complies with California's AB 1953 and Vermont Act 193 low lead laws. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.